Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the auxiliary battery on a Chrysler Pacifica. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new auxiliary battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the main battery is disconnected before starting. This crucial step prevents electrical shorts and ensures your safety throughout the process. Now, let's get to the old battery. You'll need to carefully remove the passenger seat to gain full access to the auxiliary battery compartment. Once visible, use your 10 mm wrench to disconnect the negative battery terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. After both terminals are free, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly. This ensures a good connection and prevents corrosion. Carefully set the new auxiliary battery into its compartment, making sure it's seated securely. Then, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both firmly. Almost done. Reinstall the passenger seat, ensuring all bolts are tightened correctly and the seat is secure. Double-check all battery connections to confirm they are snug and secure. Finally, start your vehicle and test its electrical system to ensure everything is functioning properly. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.